Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Teaching Manual for motivational English learning. Reported speech. Reported speech is a very common thing in the English language. We do it almost every day in conversation and in writing. The problem is sometimes there can be some confusion around the topic. So today we are going to take a look at reported speech, what it is, how to use it, and we'll look at some good examples of reported speech too. So you can see how it looks in everyday conversation or in writing. So let's do it. What is reported speech? Reported speech is simply when we tell somebody what someone else said. You can do it in your writing or in speech. Reported speech is very different from direct speech, which is when you show what someone said in the exact way that they said it. In reported speech, though, you do not need to quote somebody directly. Instead, we use a reported verb such as say or ask. These reported verbs are used to report the speech to someone else. There are many different reporting verbs that can be used, and we'll try to use different ones during this video to show you some examples. But you can always do some research too if you want to learn more examples. In short, reported speech is the linguistic technique that we use to tell somebody what someone else's direct speech was. In reported speech, though, you may need to make certain changes to the grammar to make the sentence make sense, right? So we'll look at some grammar change examples below and highlight what needs to be changed. When we use reported speech, we are usually talking about the past, right? Because obviously, the person who spoke originally spoke in the past, right? The verbs, therefore, usually have to be in the past too. For example, direct speech. I've lost my pencil. Reported speech. He said that he had lost his pencil, or he said he had lost his pencil. It's not mandatory to use that. You can use that or not. Reported speech rules. When changing from direct to indirect speech, you need to change the grammar in certain ways. Now, let's pay a little attention at direct and indirect speech and how they are used. Verb tense changes in reported speech. Present. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, then there is not much to be done to the direct speech sentence to change it. Here's an example. Direct speech. I like ice cream. Reported speech. She says she likes ice cream. So, here, nothing really needed to be changed except the pronoun, because you are now talking about somebody else. So, I becomes she or he. The tense is still the same because says is the present tense version of the reporting verb. But what happens if the sentence needs to be changed to the past tense? Let's go to the past tense. Past. Sometimes it is necessary to change the reporting verb into the past if what was said is no longer relevant or was said sometime in the past. Here are the changes that would need to be made. Example, direct speech. I like pizza. So Anna is speaking. I like pizza. Reported speech. She said she liked pizza. Or Anna said she liked pizza. So you see the change? So it was changed into the past. Guys, that's all for today, but there will be a part 2. If you comment and request for the part 2, where I'll be talking and giving key examples about reported speech in other past tenses, reported speech in the future, reported speech with modal verbs, and key changes in time and place in reported speech. Again, thank you very much for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and activate the bell icon for future videos so you won't miss any. Goodbye.